In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a voiceover angry in Elevenlabs. If you want your AI voice to sound more intense, aggressive, or emotionally charged, Elevenlabs gives you a few useful tools to help shape that delivery. The key is knowing which model to use, how to format your script, and which voice settings will bring out that angry tone in a natural way. First, open Elevenlabs and go to the text-to-speech section from the left-hand side. Once you're there, head into the Settings area and find the Model drop-down. Select 11v3. This model is important because it supports the use of tags, and those tags let you guide the emotional delivery of the voice. Now add your script into the text box. Elevenlabs supports dynamic audio tags, which means you can tell the AI how to perform a line by placing an emotion inside square brackets right before the sentence. For an angry tone, type angry in brackets directly before the line you want to sound aggressive. For example, you would place the tag immediately before a sentence to make it come across with more force and frustration. This is one of the simplest and most effective ways to push the delivery in the direction you want. Next, choose a voice that already has a naturally aggressive edge. To do that, in the text-to-speech section, change the model to 11 Multilingual v2. And then select a voice. In the search bar, look for terms like aggressive, frustrated, or villain. These types of voices often have the sharper tone and dramatic character that work well for angry delivery. Pick one that matches the style you're aiming for. After that, adjust the voice settings to increase intensity and variation. Lower the stability slider to around 30 to 40%. Lower stability usually makes the voice more expressive, with more natural breaks, spikes in energy, and tonal shifts. Keep similarity fairly high, around 75 to 85%, so the performance still sounds clear and understandable. Then raise style exaggeration to above 50%. This encourages the model to lean further into the emotional style you're prompting. You can also strengthen the effect through simple text formatting. Use all caps for important words when you want extra emphasis, and add multiple exclamation marks to suggest urgency or shouting. These small cues can make a big difference in how the line is performed. Once everything looks good, click Generate Speech and listen to the result. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.